Hello everyone, this is Ron and in this video I will show you how to show sale discount percentage in Shopify. So the very first and important thing is you have to just go to the online store and inside the theme section make sure you duplicate your theme because it's a good thing if you just go and click on duplicate, because if you do any kind of changes it will not happen in the main theme, and if you did any kind of mistake we can just go back and use the main theme here. So once you have copied the theme here, now you have to just go and click on the three dots and click on edit code. On the left side you have to go here and you have to search for card. Now the file which we want to edit, that is called card-product.liquid. But instead if you find product-card, then it's the same thing. So don't get confused here. Now there's a link given in the description, just go there and just select everything here and right click on it and just click on copy. Now just go back here and click anywhere. Now click Ctrl plus F on your keyboard, or you can just go and click on the top right side corner and here you will find this option find and edit. Now click on find. So here, now once you come up here you have to just go and click on search for sale and press the enter. Now come to here, which you can see here, you have to search the next thing, which is 139 or 140, somewhere you will find this option. Now select the entire line here, delete it and just paste whatever you copied from here. Now click next again and again you will find the same thing. Now select the entire line here and paste it. Then you have to just go and click on save the file from the top right side corner. Now just move back to here. Now this is a price.liquid. Now you have to just copy the entire line here. Come back here. Instead of card, you have to search this time price. Now come to price.liquid. Now you have to just go to the bottom and you will find this line in somewhere 132. Select it, erase it and paste the entire line of code which you just copied. And then you have to just go and click on save. Now just to check it, let's go and click on the top three dots here. Click on customize theme and let it open here. Now on the top middle, let's go to our collection page and let's see some of our product here. And now you can see that we have this option 33% off. Now let's say if I just go and change the price, right? So for example, from here, I have too many variants here, but let's say I just make it 8,000. Now it should show me a 50% discount on here. Let's check out whether this works or not. And as you can see here, it works, right? So it started showing the 50% off. Now if I just go and click on it, right? And here if I just go and change the color here, right? And if I just go and change the size, then the discount should be something else, right? So yeah, you can just do it, but you have to just go back to store and you have to change the compare price. Now automatically the percent price will be also changed instead of showing the sale. So this is how you can do it. It's really easy thing to do. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe.